Hello and welcome to your guide to the first animal behaviour assignment, which is monitoring and recording behaviour. So let's have a look at the task for this. Spend 10 minutes during a class session observing each of your 3 animals. Okay, so you need to choose 3 different animals and do 3 different observations, 10 minutes each. Okay, you need to construct an ethogram. So the ethogram is this. So each behaviour needs to have a code. So the code could be the first letter or an abbreviation of the word, and then a definition of that behaviour. Complete the ethograms and include within your assignment. You may wish to add pictures to help clarify the behaviours. Under each submitted ethogram, clarify the main elements of your unique ethogram. So what you need to do is to explain why each ethogram is different from one another. So how does the ferret behaviour relate to the Hushta behaviour, for example? Piece 6, using the ethograms you have prepared in task 1, monitor and record the behaviour of each of the animals for 20 minutes. So these are different observations, 20 minutes each. Use a recording sheet given to you in class to record the behaviours. So every minute that elapses, you need to write down what that animal is doing at that time. Present results for each of your animals in a bar chart style graph. Now that's really important because it clearly shows you exactly what you need to do. Under each graph, write a description of what the graph shows. Okay. Now to calculate the percentage of time that each animal spends displaying the behaviours, what you need to do is to calculate how many times an individual spent performing one particular type of behaviour out of all of the behaviours seen. Okay, so for example, if you were looking for sleep, you would count how many times it performed sleep out of the observation and divide it by the total amount of behaviours seen throughout the whole observation. Once you've got that figure, you then times it by 100 and you should have your percentage. So what you should include in this assignment is you should have 3 ethograms, each being separate to one another, each having specific behaviours for that animal. So with the ethogram, the behaviour, for example, would be sleep, code S, definition would be eyes shut, resting for more than 30 seconds. So task 2, what you need to have then for that is 3 recording sheets, but on top of that you also need to include 3 bar chart style graphs and also 3 reports on what the graph states. And that's it. Any questions? Please ask.